I primarily talked about the application services part of AI, where AWS has already built a model for you, and all you have to do is go and consume that. Earlier, when you are trying to translate service or trying to recognize an image or analyze an image, you have to build your model. Not anymore. With AWS, these models are pre-built, matured already for you. Simply use it for your use case. And that's what I talked today.
I did a presentation on unicorns. My talk features unicorns predominantly, and it's a talk about CloudFormation abstraction and how to keep your organization agile using CloudFormation abstraction. The unicorns plays an important role in there because it symbolizes projects that differ from implementation from project to project, from customer to customer. And my talk describes a way how you can standardize this so you can act faster, think faster, and more importantly, keep your engineers happy.
Well, a lot of stacks in AWS use Kinesis. Kinesis is a message streaming service, so you can send message from one microservice to the other. And what my talk is about is that you archive all those messages to an S3 bucket. So it's a data lake, becomes a data lake. And then you have to catalog that data to be able to query on that data. So you can use it in your BI tooling or your data analytics tooling, etc.